Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Asad Ali and today my topic is classification of reaction. So first of all, what is reaction? And the content of my topic is what is reaction, types of reaction, what are chemical reaction, and the classification of chemical reaction. So first of all, what is chemical reaction? A chemical process in which substances act mutually on each other and are changed into different substances, or one substance changed into other substance. And simply we can say that a chemical reaction is a process in which one or two or more substances act on each other mutually to form a different product. Such process is called reaction. So what are the types of reaction? Basically there are two types of reaction. Number one is homogeneous reaction and number second is heterogeneous reaction. What are homogeneous reaction? Homogeneous reaction, any class of reaction, chemical reaction that occurs in single phase, gases, liquid or solid. Means any type of reaction in which the reactant substances must belong to a single state. As we know that there are three basic states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. When gas react with gas, such type of reaction is known as homogeneous reaction. Or when solid react with solid or liquid react with liquid, such types of reaction are called as the homogeneous reaction. On the other hand, there is a heterogeneous reaction, any class of chemical reaction in which the reactant are component of two or more phases: solid, gas, solid and liquid. Means simply we can say that when the different states of matter react with each other, for example, when gas react with solid or solid react with gas, or liquid react with solid or liquid react with gas, such type of reaction in which the different states of matter react with each other, such type of reactions are called as heterogeneous reaction. So there is a classification of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are classified into 5 classes. Number 1 is synthetic reaction, number 2 is decomposition reaction, number 3 is single displacement reaction, number 4 is double displacement reaction, and number 5 is combustion reaction. So there is a first class of the chemical reaction, synthetic reaction. So what is synthetic reaction? Synthetic reaction or direct combination reaction is one of the most common type of chemical reaction. In a synthesis reaction, two or more chemical species combine to form more complex product. Means synthesis as cleared by a name. Synthesis means the made up of. When two or more different substances react with each other to form any new substance. Means when there is synthesis of any new substance during the reaction, such reactions are called as synthesis reaction. Synthesis means made up of. Suppose when A combine with B or A react with B to form a product AB, such type of reaction can be called as synthetic reaction. Number 2 is decomposition reaction. As cleared by its name, decomposition means breakdown. When any single substance broken down into two or more different substances, such type of reaction are called as decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which one reactant yield two or more product. Means when A and B are decomposed into a different product, A plus B, such type of chemical reactions are called as decomposition reaction. Means when any single substance broken down into two or more different products, such type of reaction can be called as decomposition reaction. Number third is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction is a chemical reaction where one reactant is exchanged for one ion of the second reactant. It is also known as single replacement reaction. Single displacement reaction take the form A plus BC is equal to B plus AC. Means simply we can say that when there is an exchange of single ion during the reaction, when there is an exchange of only single ion during the reaction, such type of reaction are called as single displacement reaction. On the other hand, there is a double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is a type of reaction in which two reactants exchange ion to form two new compounds. Double displacement reaction typically result in the formation of product that is a precipitate. Double displacement reaction take form is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus CB. Means we can see that there is an exchange of two ions. A has come on the reactant side AB plus CD, and when we can say see the product side, A combines with D and C combines with B. Means there is a exchange of two different ions during the reaction. Such a type of reaction is called as double displacement reaction or double replacement reaction. And last one is combustion reaction. Combustion reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which a compound and an oxidant are reacted to produce heat and a new product. The general form of combustion reaction can be represented by the reaction between a hydrocarbon and oxygen, which yield carbon dioxide and water. So combustion reaction can be of two types. Either they will be exothermic or they will be endothermic. So what are exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction are the types of reaction in which there is expel of heat energy. Means when there is a heat energy is at the product side. Means when there is a formation of heat during the reaction, such type of reaction can be called as exothermic reaction. And second one is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction are the type of chemical reaction in which their heat energy is used at the reactant side. Means when we use the heat energy to bring out any reaction, such type of reaction are called as endothermic reaction. In the combustion reaction, generally there is the burning of hydrocarbon in presence of oxygen to form steam and carbon dioxide as a byproduct. Such type of reaction can be called as the combustion reaction. Thank you.